All right, here's our layout. This wall is 84 inches long. Cabinet in the corner, that's 24 deep. This is 34 and a half. It's about an inch and a half off the wall, so from the wall to the end is 36, and then about 48 inches here. So if we stay with our initial sketch, we're going to have to make some changes because this will be usable space from the customer side, but this inside piece to here is only 12 inches because of this countertop. So if we make this shallower, maybe drop it down to 12, the drawer space is going to be next to nothing. So right now this is 24 deep. That's about 24 deep. The top of this is at 42. This is at 30. And this is 4 feet wide and about 26 deep. So the countertop will just die straight into the side of that. So we would, that picture you sent, this base piece, I'm guessing is maybe 12 inches tall. So we could utilize that, put some drawers in here. These would be slab. Same with this slab, and you can have your painter paint these drawer fronts and the side of this cabinet, the face here, and this lower base piece, which would all be painted. And side of this, the back of this, and this left side would be wrapped in wood. That's why we need to have this section stick or protrude out past this area so we can return that wood into it. But off the sketch, the issue with this here, so I don't know what you want to do there, but let me know. But off of the measurements we worked with, this is how it pencils out. Thanks.